students, now we are starting the new lesson. That one is the second lesson of second class. What is the name of the lesson? The name of the lesson is clothes we wear. Yes, we all wear clothes. So it should be different kind of clothes. It should not be that, may not be that which dress you wear, same dress I also will wear. It is not possible. But sometimes it match. So whatever may be, one thing, did you ever think what is the need of these dresses? Did you ever think the clothes, why do we need? We need it. Just like our other basic need, that one is the one of our basic need. Basic need means to live our life, which things are required, these are called the basic needs. Which one is our first basic need? That one is the food. If you won't get the food, we are not able to live. So our first basic need, the food. Second basic need, what is that one? That one is the shelter. Yes, without shelter we are not able to stay. Where would you stay? So just like the food, the shelter, our clothes are also basic need. So what the clothes are doing? Clothes are covering our body from sunlight, heat, cold, from many insects or dust, rain, whatever it may say. So actually the clothes are protecting our body from the outside dangers. So whatever may be, it may be dust, it may be rain, it may be cold, it may be hot, it may be sunlight, it may be insect. Is it? And one more thing, all time we are not wearing same kind of clothes. Did you ever observe that when you go for the out on that time, which kind of dress you wear? So definitely those dress should not be matched whenever you are going to sleep. For going to bed on that time, which dress you wear, these two should not match. Sometimes whenever you go for the parties or any functions, on that time you wear another kind of dress. Is it? So these clothes are different. That means it is varying from one time to another time. Here it is given that we wear colorful clothes to parties and celebrations. Yes, I have told you already that that should be different. That is the colorful. Little bit more colorful with respect to the other dresses or other clothes. And in your bedroom or in your home, which kind of dress will you wear? That one, which one is comfortable. After wearing which one is comfortable, that kind of dress you should wear, and generally we wearing that kind of dress only. And in the time of night, which kind of dress we wear, that one is also cotton clothes. Is it? Next, whenever you go for any school, whenever you are going to school, your father or your mother, whenever they are going for any occasion or for office, on that time they are wearing different kind of dresses. That means all of the dress should not match. Which dress they wear for any occasion or any festivals, those dress they didn't repeat, they are not repeating. Which time? For office. Is it? So there are different kind of dresses also. And one more thing, by wearing the dress, it will make you smart. Yes, different kind of dress are there. Yes, sometimes it will make you dull also. It happens. So because of the dress, you may look smart, you may look dull, you may look neat. If your dress is neat, on that time, after wearing, after seeing on you, after watching on you, that people will think that you are neat. Is it? So it will give you the feel of neat, it will give you the feel of smart, it will give you the feel of tidy and the comfortable also. And one more thing you should always keep in mind, you should never wear the tight fitting dresses. Yes, the tight fitting dresses, they are not, first thing, this one is not comfortable for us, and one more thing, it is restricting our body growth. So that's why never wear tight fitting dresses. Is it clear? Next, now you can think that for the different season also we wear different kind of dress. Is it? For that depends on our choice. That season, occasions, the occupation, according to this, based on the basis of these things, these factors, we change our dress. So we will now see about the different dress in different seasons. So first come to the summer season. So which kind of dress you should wear on that time? When it is summer, then definitely the surrounding should be hot, the environment should be hot. On that time you should wear that kind of dress which one will give you comfort. Which one will give you comfort? The cotton dress. Yes, the cotton dress will give you comfort because only cotton dress is able to absorb the sweat which one you are getting from your body. It is only able to absorb, and it is soft also and airy in summer. That is why you should wear. And the cotton clothes, it is able to keep you cool. And already I have told you that never wear any tight fitting dress. And only the cotton dress, it can only absorb the sweat and it can evaporate the sweat also. Yes, it can dry up. So that is why you should always wear any cotton dress in the time of summer, in the season of summer. Is it clear? One more thing I want to tell you, if you will wear the white colored dress, that one is also comfortable in the time of summer, because white colored dress, it is not absorbing heat, it is reflecting all the heat. As a result of it, it also keeps our body cool. So always try to wear cotton dress, and that one is also light color or white color dress in the season of summer, and that one should not be also tight fitting. Is it clear? Next we will talk about the dresses which we should wear in the time of winter season. So in the winter season, the climate, the atmosphere is cold. On that time we have to protect our body anyhow. So we should use the woolen clothes. So the woolen clothes, what they does actually, they are keeping our body warm. Yes, it is possible. By wearing some dress, you may get hot. Actually, it is not keeping our body hot. The heat which one we have in our body have, that one, it is restricting to extent with our surroundings. That is the main reason. The heat conductivity of the woolen, these woolen dresses, they has the lace, the conductivity has lace. That is the main reason. And it absorbs the heat also. That one is also one more reason. So from where we were getting the wool, most of the wool we get from the sheep. Yes, from the sheep. And the countries, which countries are very cold, the people living there, they are wearing, see here which kind of dresses they wear, heavy woolen, fur or leather jackets they wear. And sometimes they use the coats also, and in this way they are keeping their body warm. And if you will wear the hat also, That means not that hat, this kind of hat, cap. So that one also will make you hot. Hot means warm, will keep you warm. And in this way, the heat is not able to escape from your body, which all of our body temperature is which one, how much? That one is 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. That one. So, if anyhow that body temperature is being transferred with the surrounding, so definitely we will become cool. Our body will become cool. On that time, what we should do? We should wear one thing which one will resist the transformation of the heat. Is it clear? Next thing, the rainy season. The rainy season, so definitely rain will be there. So definitely we will get wet. Is it? So because of the wet, what you have to do? You have to wear any kind of dress. That kind of dress can prevent you to get wet. Is it? So how is it possible? It is possible by raincoats, by umbrella, by gum boots. So in this way you can keep yourself dry. Yes, in this way. See here the picture, both of they are working in a rainy day. But what did they use? They used one umbrella. What is this one? This one is the jacket. That jacket means which jacket? The raincoat. Is it? This one is a raincoat. And what is this one? This one is the gum boot. If you will wear this one, these two in your leg, then your legs will be dry. It won't get wet. Is it clear? And all of you, now you got one thing, that in the rainy season, one more thing you also can do. That one is, if you will wear the synthetic dresses. Yes, if you will wear the synthetic dresses, just like the different rayon dresses are available nowadays. So this kind of dress, if you will wear, then that if anyhow you will get wet also on that time, it will be dry very easily. And one thing, now have a look on the dresses. This kind of dresses, that means very short as well as they made of cotton. These dresses you should wear in the time of which time? Summer. And these dresses you should wear in the time of winter. And these dresses you should wear on the time of rainy season or the monsoon. Is it? Next, about the uniform. Yes, what are the uniforms? If you will think that there are few people who are wearing same kind of dress. Yes. Now imagine about you. Think about you daily. Whenever you are going to school, are you wearing one dress? Yes, all of you have the dress. That your friend also wear same dress, you also wear same dress. So that one is called the uniform. Yes, people during specific job or any special place, depending on, it may depend on the job or it may depend on the place. So that kind of, if they wear any particular dress, that dress is called uniform. So you may see the uniform of police. You may also observe the uniform of soldiers, the uniform of firefighters. They are also wearing one kind of dress. Postman's dress, that one is also unique. Doctor's dress, the nurse's dress, these all are the different, and all of the doctors, all of the nurse, they wear same kind of dress. Uniform. Uni means same. Is it clear now? Now these all the things, that means uniform. All of you see here, she is a soldier here. Soldier, so all of you are able to see her dress. Here, if you will see the doctor and the nurse, both of them wear one kind of dress. If you will visit one hospital, then other publics will be there. Then how can you understand who is the doctor, who is the nurse, with whom you have to contact? By seeing their dress, you will be able to understand, isn't it? So, one more thing, the police. The police, they are wearing one dress, the khaki dress. So, if any person will come, suppose he is one police, but without uniform he came in front of you. Would you trust him? I don't think so. Would you afraid of him? I don't. Because you can't recognize him even. Is it? But if one person, he will come with the uniform. That means police uniform. So maybe he is not that much strong, but after seeing the uniform, he will be afraid. Is it? So the uniform is one kind of identity also. And whenever you wear the school uniform, if you will go anywhere, you after seeing your uniform, any one of the people, they can understand that you are reading in which school. Is it? If anyhow you will forget the road, on that time they can assist you, they can help you. So in this way the uniforms are designed. One more thing, the costumes. What are the costumes? In our India, there are different states. So many states are there, and in different states, different peoples are there. And in different states, different people are there. And different people, they have different culture, different costume, different habit, these things. So, these all are not same. Yes, these all are not same. So, on that time, what is the way to understand them? You should learn about them. Now we will learn about the dress code of different states. Now have a look here. Here both of their Rajasthani couple. See here their dress codes. They wear, the males, they wear the kurta, which one is coming below the knee. Is it? And see here one kind of pagri is there. Is it? And what about the females? They wear the salwar. This kind of salwars they wear. And what about the Punjabi couple? See here, he also wear one kind of kurta and along with the pajama. Is it? So this one you can see that he also wear one. What is this one? This one is the pag or pagri. These people, they used to wear this one. That means the pagri. So any one of the Punjabi male person, you can easily recognize them after seeing their pag. Yes. Now see the Assamese. How can you understand them? See here their dress. Their dresses are different from the other people's, the other couples, isn't it? So if you will see here the white color dress, the females wear. See here, are you able to understand? Now if you will see, that one is called the dhoti. The gents, they wear the dhoti along with the shirts. Next one, the Kerala couple. Kerala couple, you are able to see, he also wear one. What is this one? This one is also one kind of dhoti, but the wearing style of the dhoti for both of them are different. This one, the top portion of the gents, they are using what? The kurta. And the female, they wear the Kerala cotton sari. Yes, sari, which kind of sari? Cotton sari. Generally they used. If you will visit the Andhra, Telangana, those people, what they wear, generally the female, they wear the saris, the salwars, and the gents, what did they wear? They wear the dhoti along with the kurta. Is it? And if you will see the West Bengal, on that place, the gents, they wear the dhoti along with the long kurta. And the female, what they wear? The female, they wear the sari, cotton sari. They also wear cotton sari. So in this way, different part of our country is situated, different kind of people. Yes, different kinds of people are there. They spread throughout the world even. Now we will talk about the only the recall. Whatever we read now, whatever we learn today, these all the things we will have little bit brush up. A hat can protect your head from the sun in summer season. I have told you that if you will wear hat, then which sunlights are coming, that means which sun rays are coming, it can protect you. Next, the cotton cloths can keep you cool. Yes, cotton cloths are able to keep us cool. By what thing? By absorbing our sweat. Next thing, clothes are very necessary to protect our body from dust, heat, rain, cold and insects. Yes, clothes are protecting our body. Anyhow, by any means, it is protecting our body. In rainy season, we use gumboots to keep our feet dry. Yes, if you will wear the gumboot, then your feet won't get wet. Yes, it is. We should wear raincoat or we should carry umbrellas in rainy season. Suppose, actually in rainy season, all time it is not raining. Sometimes it happens, it is raining, after a few interval, again it is raining. So, you should carry the umbrella or the raincoat along with you. Otherwise, you may get wet. Is it? Next, we should not wear too tight and they should be loose enough. Yes, any kind of dress you should not wear which one is too tight, because it is restricting our body growth. So, they should be loose enough.